quality residency at a live concert or the recording of a music album. And contrary to popular belief, a sound engineer is not merely a sound recordist. Here's more on this interesting full-time career. This isn't a spaceship or a UFO you're looking at. This is a high-definition digital audio workstation that future audio engineers train on at the School of Audio Engineering or SAE in Mumbai. Matching the quality of sound is the prominent function of the sound engineer's job profile, and they're more in demand than ever before.
Media industry is growing. You see that there are many more number of TV channels, many more number of radio channels, and even motion picture, the quality with which it is being produced in India is improving. At a technical level, it's improving. So there is a bigger demand for audio engineering.
At an audio engineering institute, you learn the principles of sound and how to use equipment to record, edit, and mix your own multi-track projects. You also learn advanced acoustics, console operations, and post-production techniques as well. Well, with these skills, you can record, mix, and produce music albums, movie soundtracks, radio jingles, and even ringtones. But then again, much of this can also be learned on the job. So, is formal training really necessary?
You're working with the best equipment. You have like your peers who are with you, they know what's happening. You have really good faculty. Like at least you can choose what you want to work on. When you're doing your project, you can get your own band.
Most audio engineering courses do not require any understanding of technology, but it helps to have an ear for sound. Fees for course in audio engineering are steep and average between 1.5 lakhs to 2.5 lakh rupees for a year-long course. But you can get good returns on your investment as jobs in the audio industry pay well. Freshers earn anything between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees a month, and after a couple of years of experience, take home between 50 to 60,000 rupees every month.
I didn't really have to pay a firm and learn sound engineering from a studio or school or institute. But then I really wanted to do it in a formal way because I wanted to know every inch and every bit of it.
If you're also planning to make a career in sound engineering, here is how you can get started. All you need is a fast computer equipped with a sound card, a basic microphone, and a pair of speakers or headphones. Download and install a basic sound recording and editing software like Audacity from audacity.sourceforge.net for free and experiment a bit on your own. So if you like what you're doing, well then you could consider going to one of these institutes. School of Audio Engineering at Mumbai, Chennai and Delhi, Film and Television Institute of India, Pune, and the Subsidiary Film and Television Institute of India in Kolkata. So that's engineering of a different kind. Up next, here's our careers consulting editor Rashmi Bansal answering questions that you've sent us.
I have just completed 12th standard and I'm looking forward to doing my bachelor's in business management. Is there a scope for BMS in current industries or will a further MBA be necessary? Krishnaraj Lingam, Mumbai.
Krishnaraj, the BMS degree or BBA as it's known in some other universities is very popular with students and it's